Hello and welcome to Easy Drupal. Today I'm going to show you how to move a module that's been installed in the incorrect location. So if you visited the extend pages on your Drupal site, you quite often see this, well, you always see this, add from a URL. And this is the old way of installing a module that was available in Drupal 7. It's still available in Drupal 9, but that's the wrong way to do it. Quite often people use this method and then realize that they've installed a module, it goes in the wrong location. So I'm just going to demonstrate that for you. So to add a module using a URL, for example, metatag, we would get the link for the zip file and paste it in here. And that will install the module for us. This is my local demo site, by the way. So if we look on the command line in our modules directory, that we've got this metatag module installed here, right below modules. Really, it should be in all contributed modules should go into that folder. So we need to get that moved into there. It's not a question of just copying it over because the database will have references to this location and it won't work. So we can remove that by uninstalling it and then we will reinstall it using Composer the correct way. So I am, for the purposes of this demo, I'm assuming that there is no data currently in metatag. If there is, you'll have to possibly rebuild that data. So in this case, metatag is only going to be settings. So you can have a look at the settings page, screenshot it, and then perhaps set it up again. Okay, so let's go back to the web browser. So in Drupal 9, there is no disabling of a module. It's either installed or uninstalled. So at the moment, metatag is installed. So to uninstall it, we do that. You can also do this through the command line using drush, and I'll put the command for that down below. But it's basically pm uninstall name of module. So this should remove all of these defaults. So the configurations that you've got, if you've amended any of those configurations, those will be removed. So just be aware of that. There you go. Selected modules have been uninstalled. So now if we go back to our list and look for metatag, you'll see that it's not enabled. Okay, so the module has been removed. We can now go back to our command line, and from the command line we can safely remove that metatag folder, which we will do using the rm-r and you'll see that we now just have the contrib folder and no metatag module. So from the root of your site, we can update, or we can add the new module metatag using the correct Composer method. So going over to metatag module, they give you the correct command to use. You've seen me do this on other sites or on other videos. Back to the command line. So from the command line, we can paste that command. There you go. So that has now installed it in the correct location. So if we go to our web modules directory and list there, we'll see we've not got the metatag folder as expected. If we go to the contrib folder, we should now see that in our list of contributed modules, we have got metatag there, second one down. Okay, now if we go back to the web browser and look at our modules, we can look for our metatag and it will be there. It's now in a different location and we can enable it in the usual way or using drush from the command line. As I say, I'll put the commands for that down below. Okay, that's it. That's how you move a module that you've put in the wrong place. So the lesson to learn is don't install a module using the add new module function under extend. Do it from the command line and then it'll be managed by Composer and any updates will be picked up correctly as well. Okay, that's all. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon.